Towers Watson is a human resources consulting firm working with large companies on a global basis on their people issues.
In our industry, risk is a big challenge right now. And SharePoint 2010, which is the basis of our Records Excellence program, is all about managing corporate risk by making it much easier to identify where our corporate records are stored.
So there is a very strong compliance aspect to the Records Excellence application that we have with SharePoint 2010. At the same time, we're trying to turn this into a strong positive in terms of having our associates collaborate, work across geographic lines, work within client teams to be able to get the information they need, share it quickly, and store it as appropriate.
From the records management point of view, what we have done is we have worked a lot with the managed metadata service application, and what that allows you to do is assign a content type hub where you can then go in and configure your content types, apply retention policies, and also run your disposition, etc., whatever rules you need to follow. And these are all out of the box.
There is a whole bunch of new features in 2010 that we're excited about. The ability to be able to support large document stores is there now. You've got a much richer metadata management system with managed metadata and the term store. User features like the content organizer, in-place records management, document sets, just a lot of new, really exciting capabilities on SharePoint 2010.
MetaLogic's solutions enable customers to take content from a variety of different source systems and move them effectively and efficiently into SharePoint, so they can take what they have today in disparate systems and centralize it on SharePoint. And these organizations are seeing that SharePoint can radically improve the way their end users collaborate and are more productive.
We were serving the master of the tool rather than the tool serving the business. SharePoint is configured and is built basically to serve the needs of the client rather than the other way around.
Well, I think the top feature for me is always usability. The user interface and how intuitive it is definitely the #1 feature. The out-of-the-box functions that are now included in SharePoint 2010, I would also put very high on the list. Things like declaring a record is much easier.
The easy-to-use interface is what was the primary reason we implemented SharePoint for this records management solution. Obviously, there were several other reasons for our other implementations, such as intranet and HR portal. But usability was the biggest, or one of the biggest reasons we implemented SharePoint.
SharePoint is an extremely easy-to-use platform, and the ability for customers to readily access the content, take advantage of features like enterprise metadata, content types, and document sets. There are a variety of new and impressive features that SharePoint brings to bear that most organizations see as critical to having successful enterprise content management initiatives. The platform provides tremendous capabilities, and it's a wonderful opportunity to expand the capabilities of your information worker audience with rich collaboration, enterprise content management, and social computing features.
Our customers are looking to SharePoint to solve their ECM challenges, primarily because of the phenomenal capabilities of the platform.
Productivity in the consulting business is key. Being able to keep our consultants focused on their clients and away from administrative tasks is how we grow our business. That is the benefit of SharePoint 2010 now and in the future for Towers Watson.